Raysat, satellite TV and internet on wheels. Raysat offers the first coast-to-coast high-speed internet service for vehicles combined with live satellite TV. Raysat's automated GPS-based technology provides unparalleled coverage. Whether cruising down a country road or trapped in gridlock, you will have a virtually uninterrupted stream of satellite television and high-speed internet.
We're happy to introduce a new product which is a high-speed access in cars. It's just like we do in Europe on trains. Now you could, as a business person, you can open up your laptop and immediately be connected through the Wi-Fi hotspot that we create in the car to the internet at high speeds. 5 years from now, we see a world where every car will have a built-in antenna. Just like an option today, you buy your car, you want to have the DVD option, the 6 CD players, or do you want the high-end audio? Now do you want the built-in antenna? And it will become an extension of your car, thus turning basically your vehicle into a movie entertainment center.
Raysat is the technology leader for mobile antennas. We are the first and only supplier of internet service on trains and the first to offer multi-satellite, multi-service live TV. All the channels, all the networks, coast to coast, and on the move. Raysat is the only antenna that works with Dish and all other DBS providers. Raysat features an ultra-low profile antenna that mounts securely to most RVs, SUVs, minivans, and trucks. The rugged, impact, and weather-resistant antenna is built to withstand the elements. Move backseat entertainment beyond DVD. Raysat, innovators for your mobile life.